Question number 2, second subdivision. They have given 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So we have taken, let us take time taken by one woman is equal to x days, and let us take time taken by one man is equal to y days. Now from that statement we can just conclude that we can say that time taken by one woman is x days. That implies work done by a woman in 1 day will be equal to 1 by x. I will give you one example. You imagine that a woman takes 2 days to complete the work. Then what is the amount of work completed in 1 day? It is 1 by 2 of the work, that is half of the work. Suppose you imagine that the work time taken by a woman is 3 days, then in 1 day 1/3 of the work is completed. If it is 4 days, then in a day 1/4 of the work is completed. Since now we have considered that number of days taken is x, work done by a woman in 1 day is going to be 1 by x. Similarly, by the second statement we can say that work done by a man in 1 day is equal to 1 by y. Now they have given a condition that 2 women and 5 men complete a work in 4 days. Now two women, each woman doing 1 by x of the work in a day, plus 5 men doing 1 by y of the work in a day, are going to complete 1 by 4th of the work in a day, because the total number of days taken is 4. So in 1 day totally they are going to complete 1/4 of the work. Then that means 2 women completing 1 by x of the work, 5 men completing 1 by y of the work, put together 1 by 4th of the work is completed. Now we have 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. Now taking the second situation they have given 3 women and 6 men together complete the work in 3 days. That is 3 women completing 1 by x of the work in a day, plus 6 men completing 1 by y of the work in a day, together complete 1 by 3rd of the work in a day. That gives you 3 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 3. Now we are going to take, let 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. That gives us 2a plus 5b equal to 1 by 4. When you take this 4 to the other side, you will have 8a plus 5 4s are 20b equal to 1. Keep this as equation 1. The other equation you have is substituting 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Then you will get 3a plus 6b equal to 1 by 3. Taking this 3 to this side, you will get 3 into 3 is 9a plus 6 3s are 18b equal to 1. So this is the second equation. Now solving these two equations, we are going to find the value of a and b and correspondingly the value of x and y. Now we are going to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. We are going to eliminate a, so I am going to multiply the first equation by 9 and the second equation by 8 to make the coefficients common. Then we will have 72a plus 180b equal to 9. This one, 9 8s are 72a, 18 into 8 is 144, 144b equal to 8. Now since they are having same symbols, we are going to subtract. When you are subtracting, you have to change the symbol and add. So this will get cancelled. 180 minus 144 is going to be 36b equal to 1. That implies b equal to 1 by 36. Now substitute b is equal to 1 by 36 in any one of the equations. I will substitute in second equation. So we will get, we have 9a plus 18b equal to 1. 9a plus 18 into 1 by 36 equal to 1. 1 times, 2 times. So we have 9a plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. 9a is going to be 1 minus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 9a equal to 1 by 2. Then a will be 1 by 2 into 9. That is 1 by 18. Now we have found both a and b values. We assumed that in the beginning, we assumed that 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Now we have found that 1 by x is equal to your a value, that is 1 by 18. Comparing, since numerators are equal, denominators should be equal. So your x value is 18. Then 1 by y is equal to your b value, which is 1 by 36. Comparing, since the numerators are equal, your denominators should be equal. Y value is 36. So time taken by a woman alone, one woman alone, to complete the work is 18 days, and time taken by a man alone, one man alone, to complete the work is 36 days.